Would you believe me if I told you since April of 2023, I've made $40,000 here on social media, optimizing my social media platforms and marketing a digital product that teaches people how to do exactly what I'm doing? I'm going to tell you how to do it. I am just an average girl who is sick and tired of the hamster wheel, doing the same thing over and over and over. I'm getting older. I wanted more free time. I wanted to stop living paycheck to paycheck, and I have a good job. And I was just sick and tired of it. So I said yes to an opportunity that teaches high income skills, things like email marketing, building out a sales funnel, creating digital products, being able to optimize social media, being able to come here and make short form videos. And in my videos, I post 3 a day, and I just talk about what I'm doing. I share my journey, and I get people to know, like, and trust me. That digital product that I was talking about teaches you everything step by step. So I come here, I talk about what I'm doing, I share my story, I create curiosity, and I let you know you do not have to stay stuck in your 9 to 5. You do not have to stay stuck in your healthcare job, working 12 hours a day, working in the middle of the night, taking call week after week after week, going in on holidays and weekends. You do not have to do that. You can learn how to make money online. You can learn how to optimize your social media. You can learn how to make these short form videos, create curiosity, get people to know, like, and trust you, and start selling some type of digital marketing product. Now, I do the course because I love it. I think it teaches you everything, but I've also created multiple streams of income as an affiliate marketer too, to combine that with my business. And I also teach and share how to create your own special digital product using Canva, ChatGPT. Guys, it's all laid out in the digital course. If you are sick and tired of being on the hamster wheel and you want more family time, if you want more money for retirement, if you want to stop living paycheck to paycheck, maybe you just want to go shopping or travel more, guys, quit putting this to the side. It does take time. You do have to learn. You do have to build the foundation to your business. But if you're like me and you go and you apply yourself and you learn the skills and keep going every single day, it is possible for you to change your life over the next 6 to 8 months. If you are interested in this, comment ready below. Make sure you're sharing this video and save this video so you can come back to it.